Hi, I'm Constance and I'm new here at Vapor Honing Technologies. I'm really fascinated by these vapor blasting machines and the incredible results that they produce. Let's look at one of our best-selling models, our Weekend Warrior, and look at some of its features. This model is a great starter machine for hobbyists, hence the name Weekend Warrior. First of all, we can talk about the dimensions. It's 33 inches wide, it's 30 inches in diameter, and it's 28 inches high. We also have a foot pedal here for convenience. Usually, the Weekend Warriors come with an open loop. This model comes with a closed one, which is another additional $650, but usually they come with an open loop. Now we're going to talk about the inside of the cabinet. First thing you might notice is that we have a very bright LED light in there. It's a flood lamp. It's for visibility, of course, enable you to see what you're doing. In addition, we have one window rinser, and that also helps with your visibility. It comes with the vapor blasting gun. It also has a rinse nozzle, so that's nice and convenient also. Hey Nikki, we got any specials going on this bad boy?
Yeah, Constance, as a matter of fact, we have several deals going on right now. On the Weekend Warrior, the 800 base, and the fully loaded, we have $500 off. Now, instead of the $500 off for the Weekend Warrior, you can also get, or add instead, a free closed loop system. There's also discounts on our new Pro Series model, the Weekend Warrior, the 800 base, and the fully loaded. Call now, get your $500 discount. This will not last long. It's a limited time only. Give us a call at 828-220-4967. Thank you so much.